Hi guys, Steve here at Carbonite Saber Systems. Got another video for you. This one's kind of special. It's the first metal hilt, besides the Mark I, that I've made. And I've really made some advancements since building that piece. Probably noticed a lot of visual cues that are different. Went with a very thick gauge steel, which I hand put a brushed finish on. I don't know if you can see it there, but it came out really nicely. The centerpiece is faux carbon Dynoc wrap with rivets holding the pieces in place. The retention screw is heat inserted into the PVC that resides underneath the emitter. And then this is really kind of nice. It's a new type of blade plug that I've made. It has a kind of a bullet tip to it, a little reminiscent of maybe a turbine engine. I thought that gave off a very nice look. Something else that's new to this build is the speaker design. And pop that off. You can see that I'm using a higher quality speaker now than I have been previously. Which gives it a definite boost in the sound department, especially when it's got the ported end cap pommel on it. So just cosmetically looking at it, you can see a lot of neat things. The power button anti-vandal, illuminated as always. This is a white anti-vandal. Sits with an extra bolt over that to kind of make it stand out a little bit better, which I thought was kind of cool. But the really cool part is the color. For a long time now, folks have been begging me, make a purple saber with sound. And the only thing I've been able to do thus so far is offer purple blades without sound and keep working towards achieving that sound and color combination. So essentially what I'm doing to achieve this, there's two different diodes in the front up here, a blue one and a red one, which combine to make the color purple. Now to get it to go just so, I had to run a resistor in on the red circuit to tone the red down some so that it'll actually produce a purple instead of a red, because the red seemed to be kind of overpowering the blue. So that was my way around that. And I'll go ahead and pop in a blade just so you can kind of see what this guy is going to look like when he's all put together. Very bright. Nice complementary colors with the white anti-vandal and the purple blade. I thought that came out nicely. It's very purple. It looks a little washed out here just because of the way the camera is rendering this with a little overexposure, but trust me, in person, this blade is considerably more purple. I'm super happy with the way this came out. One thing is, though, you can't buy it. Because this is a birthday present for my brother who's turning 30 years old tomorrow. So, the good news is, very soon you will be able to buy purple with sound from Carbonite Saber Systems. I plan on having that up and running before the Christmas holiday. I think that a lot of people are going to be very pleased with this build, and I just suggest keeping an eye out on my Etsy store. If you're not following me on Facebook, go ahead and do that too. And thanks for your time.